Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Fidelity investment account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Fidelity investment account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in fidelity.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Fidelity login like this and hit enter. And you can see the login.fidelity.com over here. Click over there and you can see this is the login page of Fidelity. Now this page was redirected from the Google search result itself. Now to log into your Fidelity investment account from the home page of the Fidelity, you can see the login option available over here on the middle upper section of your screen. I'm hovering over it. Click on login and you can see both of these pages are same. Now to log into your Fidelity account, let's close one of these, and you can see you'll be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your Fidelity account. Or if you have not yet created an Fidelity investment account, you can see the register now option available over here. Click on register now to go through a procedure to create an account on Fidelity. And then guys, this is how you log into your Fidelity account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.